The parade is over and we are here at the basement, basement 5, waiting for the snacks of the kids to be served. We are here now at the training room, waiting for the food to be served. Eto na. I-serve na. Pwede na.
Musical ni manager.
Yes.
Ay, sige po, ano ma'am. Papahelp na lang po kami sa pag-isip.
Yes, I think we...
Yung water po.
Okay. We are going to serve the food now to the kids. Medyo nagutom na sila.
Wait na lang po. Wait na lang din po. Girls!
Okay kids, yung walang table, squat na lang dito kakain ha. Kakain na lang tayo, okay? Wala nang table eh.